Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and look at what I got in the mail. It's the paper pumpkin. It is called World's Greatest, and normally I do a live, but this month my paper pumpkin subscribers are going to be doing it live with me on next Saturday. Not this Saturday, the upcoming Saturday, the 29th. And it's going to be bingo. So we've gone ahead and sent out those packets, and let's see what we're going to be working with. All right, first things first, of course, it's going to tell us about next month's, and it looks like the theme is Hello Pumpkin. So it looks like we're going to be doing something with pumpkins, something kind of Halloweenish. Oh, the color that we're using is Pacific Point. And look at that ribbon. How pretty is that? That's like an inch thick for sure. We have some Pacific Point as our stamping spot. And what is this? Oh, look, it's got like a ribbon, some ribbon stuff, and it says Coach, Friend, Number One. World's Greatest, so World's Greatest Friend, World's Greatest Coach. This calls for a celebration. It's got teacher and kids, so it could be World's Greatest Teacher, World's Greatest Kid, or You Deserve a Medal, so it could say Teacher, You Deserve a Medal, or Teacher, You're the Best. How cool is that? Look at that. So we are going to be doing some bingo and paper pumpkin making. And then I put some alternatives as well in the packets. So let's see what's in here, shall we? I had to build those packets before I even knew what we were doing. So it's going to be fun. We're going to have a good time coming up with some alternatives. All right. What do we got? It looks like we're doing some shakers. So we've got 3 different cards, and one of them is in fact a shaker, and one of them looks like it's an award. So here we go. We've got some stars in here and some dimensionals and some shaker cutouts. Oh, look it, we've got some Argyle envelopes in some mint, and then again in Pacific Point, and then we've got another shade here of mint, or maybe it's a just jade color. We've got the pieces of the acetate. We've got some card bases in the matching with the envelopes there. We've got some white, just some regular white, and then we've got the blue Argyle. What else? Here's some more of the blue Argyle. Here we go. There's those lovely awards there. We've got some fronts. We've got this all figured out. Look at that. We've got the front here for that shaker card. We've got those. And then this looks like it's got a blue dot in there as well. How fun. This is going to be a great little bingo class that we've got going. So I know one of you had asked about what bingo is, and so I will tell you, it is literally stamping bingo. So we play bingo, and look at those, so pretty. And let me show you here. In those bingo packets that got sent, everybody got some of these bingo cards. So, and we literally stamp, and then we play bingo games. And as the bingo games are played, the first person to get bingo wins, and they win prizes. And some of the prizes are stamp sets. Some of them are embellishments, paper, all kinds of fun stuff. So this is a bunch of dots and some rectangles there. Some little rectangles. Look at these. Are those stickers? I don't know if they're stickers. They look like they want to be stickers, but they might also be just cardboard. So, but very pretty nonetheless. And then we've got some leaves here. It looks like they are all the same, so I'll just take one out. So look at that pretty leaf there. Another set of leaves, you guys, and that's everything to make these cards. And then of course we'll be making some alternatives, so I will be packing this up tonight so that we could play some bingo. And then of course they send you in your first paper pumpkin, not that one. In your first paper pumpkin, they send you a block. And so I'm going to stick that in there so that I have everything that I need. And we will be ready to go. I think I'll stick some scissors in there as well. Maybe a bone folder. And of course, I'm going to take your pick tool. So there it is. Look at all that in a nice little box. Now I'm ready to take that, pack it up, and go on my way to do our bingo next Saturday. All right, beauties. I hope you like this. If you'd like to join us in future paper pumpkin gatherings, make sure you are subscribed to my paper pumpkin. And this one's called World's Greatest. The next one's called Hello Pumpkin, it looks like. But I would love to be able to stamp with you live doing this. So, all right, beauties, I will put a link down below if you wanted to register to get next month's paper pumpkin. I hope you have a great day, and I will talk to you later. Bye.